This is Motorola Moto G13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you need to download and install the free app called Caffeine. So, boot up the Play Store, sign into your Google account if necessary. Of course, you have to also have the internet connection set up and working properly. So at the app page, at the Play Store, just tap at the green button that says install and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Then launch it, and at the app itself, all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has been set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app is active, or should I rather say stays active in the background, so make sure not to turn it off or close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alright, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.